Hey, good afternoon. This is Dave from solventprinterconversion.com. Today is Thursday, the 18th of April, 2013, and I have here a Roland 54-inch printer cutter. It is a Roland SC540 that we have updated to be a Roland SC545EX. The significance of that update is A, it's got the latest firmware and all that. B, that this is compatible with Roland VersaWorks, which is Roland's latest and current RIP software that's out there. And so right now we are printing from Roland VersaWorks, which you would get with this package. This is a 6-color machine. It has 12 cartridges, 6 print heads. It is a near twin to the machine that we have been running every day since 2008. The difference is that this one has less than half of the print hours on it than the one that we run every day does. And I just pulled up a report, so if you're wondering whether this machine can really help you out, we've printed over $1 million in product off of that one printer that I put into service about 5 or so years ago. So, you know, if there's any doubt that this thing can make money for you, there shouldn't be a doubt. You can do tons with it. This machine will print on just about any eco-solvent printable material, banners, a wide variety of vinyls, vehicle graphics. Here's something we printed on one in the back. It's a canvas that we did that's kind of cool. And this machine prints and cuts, so later here in just a sec you'll see it doing the cutting as well. You can use it as a standalone vinyl cutter, or you can use it to do print and cut stickers, like these little smiley faces that we just did as a little test print. This machine has an excellent test pattern with all the heads firing perfect or near perfect. So it's even got a better test pattern than the one that we're running every day. But I want to make sure that we send it out, you know, working right for you. This machine has about 2,102 print hours, which for this machine is very low. Our machine that's over there has almost 5,000 print hours on it, and it's basically the same machine as this. This machine's just been kind of sitting, having very low usage for most of its life. This was not an aqueous machine from the factory. This was actually an eco-solvent machine from the factory. We've gone through and updated it with some new heads and new cap tops, new dampers, flushing out the whole ink system. The pumps were good in here. These are a good long life pump that Roland puts in, so those we didn't change out, but they're in great shape, and those pumps last for years and years and years. We've had the same pumps in our other machine for the last 5 or so years, haven't changed them because the new generation pumps last very well. This will have new wipers and a new scraper as well. You can see here, if you look in here at what it's printing, colors look great. The nice thing about Roland VersaWorks is that they give you a wide variety of print profiles to choose from that you can download straight from within the program. It'll just download them straight in there, which is really cool. So it is not hard to find great color output that you really like. This machine has a built-in heating system. It's not one that we actually put in, it's one that Roland put in. But similar to ours, it has a little box that hangs on there. This one thinks in Celsius, so if you're used to thinking in Fahrenheit, you'll have to adjust. But it's really not that hard, and it does a very nice job warming up this whole platen area. Now this is going to jump back out here and do a cut around these little smiley faces that Matt set up. One of my favorite parts. So now we'll let this come out here, we can do a sheet cut, and I'll show you what it did. Alright, let's see if I can do this as well as Matt just did a minute ago. And I believe the answer is no. There we go. So as you can see, we've got nice clean cuts. We didn't cut around this other graphic, so I'm not going to peel it all off, but this is working just fine for doing print and cut. This thing also has the little eye in it for reading registration marks, so we can get all calibrated up so you could print, laminate, and then cut. Some cool new materials that are out there. This is a reflective banner material that was printed on the twin to this machine. We have printed at least a couple thousand of these retractable banner stands off of our twin to this machine. We've done vehicle wraps with it, thousands of stickers, thousands of banners. There's just tons of stuff that you can do with this. So if you're looking for a machine that's an upgrade from some of the FJ50s, CJ500s, kind of entry-level ones we were looking at, this is a machine that I would highly recommend. It has much better print speed and is compatible with Roland VersaWorks, which is going to save you a lot of hassles and frustration. Is a printer cutter. It'll take 54-inch media and print up to 52 inches out of it. I really, as this is a machine that we built our business on, same model, I think that this would be a very good investment for you. If you're interested in checking it out, please give me a call, 330-556-5485, or email me, dave@solventprinterconversion.com. This one's not going to be around long, so if you're interested, please get in touch with me. We may have another one similar to this that we'll be working on soon, so hopefully we'll have something like that for you. Let me know if you're interested. I appreciate your time and your trust. Thanks.